Straumann SIRIOS to Smile in a Box. Learn how to access Smile in a Box service. Understand how to add your X-order file in the order. Please note that the availability of Smile in a Box service on Access may vary by country. For specific information regarding availability in your region, kindly contact your local representative. Make sure you are connected to Straumann Access. Once your case is completed in Sirius, simply export this one to the Straumann Access platform. Once exported, Straumann Access will launch. There's two ways to create a Smile in a Box order. When your patient order opens, select Send Later. Within your order case, click Order and select Smile in a Box. You can also look for your patient within the Patient tab. Hover over the file. At the end of the row, click Order and select Smile in a Box. Your case is already attached to the Smile in a Box order. Fill in all the necessary information. Once you are at the File steps, within the intraoral scan, click the Upload Files button and select your patient X-order. Continue to fill the rest of the order and hit Submit.